IndicaOnline allows you to easily manage all of your locations in a single convenient spot. Navigate to Config, Offices and Storages. You'll see a list of all offices and storages attached to your account. Click the Add Office/Storage button in the top right corner. You'll see a pop-up with four options: In-Store Office, In-Store Storage, On-Demand Office, and On-Demand Storage. Keep in mind that the type and number of offices you can create depends on your subscription plan. Let's focus on in-store locations for now. Click the In-Store Office tile. You'll be redirected to the new office page. Start by entering the name of your office. This is how it will show up on the list. Feel free to upload your store logo or a bigger version of the design for Apple TV. Below the office name, you'll see a selector for the type. It could either be storefront or delivery. Keep in mind that a regular storefront can process delivery transactions, but a delivery-only office will only work with deliveries. Underneath the type, you'll see an option to specify the office type. You have the choice between medical and recreational. Alternatively, if you serve both kinds of customers, you can just check both boxes. You also have to specify your medical state license or adult use state license depending on the chosen office type. Enter your business name. This is the name that will show up on the receipts and marketplaces such as Sweetie, legal business name, and business slogan, if you have one, of course. Beneath the business slogan, you'll notice the active checkbox. It's checked by default, which means that this office is fully operational and can receive quantities, get registers assigned to it, etc. If you decide to uncheck it, the office will be inactive and thus unavailable until it's marked as active again. Under the Location and Contact Information section, you'll be able to specify your office's street, city, state, and zip, email, phone, site, and fax if you still use one. Under the Business Hours section, you can specify when the store is available for customers. Select your time zone at the top, check off all the days on which your store operates, and specify the corresponding working hours. The same for all weekdays and same for all weekday buttons allow you to specify working hours for one of the days and then apply those same hours to all weekdays or every day of the week. Under the Social Network section, you can specify the links to your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. The Other Information section lets you specify business information, available amenities, languages that are spoken by the staff, video. This could be any YouTube video that describes your business or acts as promotional material, virtual reality tour, just a link to your tour, and a description. You can add some interesting details about your office. Click on Save when you're done. In order to view a list of all offices available on your account, simply navigate to Config, Offices and Storages. At the top of the page, you'll see the option to search for particular offices. The list can also be filtered by business, office, and license types, or by whether or not it's available on Sweetie. The office list itself will display type, office/storage name, rating, office type, email, Sweetie, whether or not it's enabled, address, and status. The horizontal lines in front of each entry on the list allows you to move it up or down on the list when you click on it and drag it to the desired destination. The Actions column on the very right allows you to edit or delete an office by clicking on the corresponding icons. Navigate to Config, Offices and Storages. You'll see a list of all offices and storages attached to your account. Click on the Add Office/Storage button in the top right corner. Select the In-Store Storage option from the pop-up. Type in the name of your storage and click on Save. Your newly created storage will appear on the list. Click the name of one of your offices to view its profile. The office has to be active for you to do this. You'll end up on the corresponding office profile. The profile itself is split into 3 tabs. The Overview tab gives you all the general details related to your office, email, phone, location, Sweetie rating, if you have it enabled that is, and more general information such as your business information, business hours, social media, etc. The Photos tab allows you to upload your office-related photos for easier access. The Marketplace tab allows you to control every aspect of your digital presence. Marketplace settings are split up into 4 additional tabs. General information. Here you can upload a logo for your business, specify a SEO title, under 250 characters, to drive more traffic to your store, add a meta description, keywords, a visibility threshold, the number of items that, when reached, will hide them from your storefront, and an About Us, first-time customer, and announcement text to present more information to end users. You can also specify amenities, such as accessibility for disabled individuals, ATM availability, a lounge, etc. The desired collection group is also selected here. Watch our video on collections for more information. This tab allows you to configure everything related to your Sweetie store. At the very top, you can enable Sweetie ordering, which will allow customers to place orders from Sweetie. Below this toggle, you have a button that reveals your store's Sweetie URL. You can also specify the accepted payment methods, enable call/text notifications upon order placement, and specify a customer support line. You can enable pickup orders by utilizing the corresponding toggle and selecting the desired shipping method from the dropdown. Check out our video about shipping methods for more details on the matter. The Allow Delivery toggle below operates in the exact same manner and allows you to specify multiple shipping methods. You can specify the average delivery time in the corresponding text box. The Loyalty Program tab allows you to configure the cashback percentage your customers get from Sweetie purchases in your store. If you haven't enabled it yet, you'll have to click Enable the program and wait for us to verify the specific percentage to avoid accidental loss of value as a result of incorrect setup. Once enabled, you'll see 2 different values here. The first value is the cashback percentage you entered earlier. You can edit it. However, you'll need to wait until it's approved again. The other value is your current Sweetie balance. Clicking on View Details will take you to a breakdown of all Sweetie points usage and crediting.